If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing a real smoky, blacked out, just a very, you know, I seen this look where someone had like a gray smoke, and I just really fell in love with it. But then I was like, I wanted to do this video, so I was like, let me just go ahead and do a makeup video for the year since I haven't done one for the 2020 year. So, guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get started because I know, look at my shirt. This is like my hair, makeup. This is like my go-to shirt. Like, you know, you have a certain section, like when you get crafty, if you're a crafty person, this is my crafty shirt. So come on, let's get dressed for me. Sorry if my camera makes my brows look really dark, but guys, they're really not. It's my normal go-to NYX professional makeup brush. So thick. So I don't know why I look in dark. Maybe it's just the lighting I got set up. But you know it's gonna come together. If you seen the thumbnail, you clicked it, so you liked it. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do is build up my transition shade. I know some people do their eyeshadow makeup backwards, like they do their bold color and then blend out their transition. But I'm different and I don't do it that way. So we're gonna do our transition first. I just find it helps me blend out better for me because I already have my transition. So when I put the color on top, it's gonna help me blend out. And then I go back in with the color that I use for my transition and just blend it all out. That's what I do. So I went in with this color and this color and a touch of this, and I'm just blending them all in. So what you'll see is I'm just paling it up. So I'm gonna pal it up in my lid area as if I'm about to form a cut crease, but I'm technically not. But that is going to be covering the area once I put my official color on there. So just watch and bear with me. Okay, guys. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going in with the Naked. Ooh, taking it back to a throwback. The Naked by Urban Decay, and I'm going in with this Undone right here. It is the dark smoky gray color, and I'm just going to go in and apply that into my lid as the base color. Yeah, I'll keep looking at this second color right here, the Primal. It's kind of speaking to me like I want to go on top of this. Look at it, guys. What are you thinking? I'm thinking do it. Do it. Do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. It didn't do anything. I just felt like it was going to do something, y'all. It did nothing. But if you're doing on one, you got to do it on the other. So, you got like that blocky look now. So what we're going to do is, because right now you have like that blocky look, so we're going to just work and smooth it out. And we're going to go back in with the matte book, and we're going to just use one of the brown shades, which I think I may use this one right here because I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm going to lighten it up a little bit. And I'm just going to just work it in back and forth, smoothing it out, applying more, or however I need to do it so that it can, blend. So that's what we're going to be doing here these next two steps. So guys, I just realized I didn't show you guys this part, but I went in with my NYX pore filler, and I'm just going in, and basically I use this in areas where I see my pores more, or I have areas with concern where my blackheads are, and you can see a lot of focus areas when I put my foundation on that you can see through the foundation. So I definitely just go in basically around my T-zone area, around my chin, my cheek areas where I'm having some acne breakout, my nose, and I just do a little tap on my forehead just because it don't hurt. Hey guys, it's me, Jasmine. And if you're wondering why I'm popping up on the screen in the middle of this video, it's because, and I think you know why. It's because that button right there. Why? I don't know. I mean, I love y'all. Why you don't love me? February is all about spreading the love. So let's spread the love and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Let's go ahead and get back in the video. Let's just set the record straight, guys. Got my lashes on, looking cute. But people always say they love my freckles, and I don't want people to think that I don't like them. Like, I love my freckles. Freckles are so beautiful. I look good. I think I look the best when I'm just barefaced and my freckles popping. But I like to play with not play, but I like to use makeup as a form to express myself. Or I wouldn't say like I'm a full blown artist, but I feel like that expresses me, and I use makeup as therapy. I'm like, it's been really stressful in my life, but I use makeup to help just like clear my mind and get me a fresh or renewed mindset about how to address or face a certain situation or circumstances. So please don't think that I don't like my freckles, because I love them. I mean, I'm a bad little something. I'm a bad little body. Just do hottie boo body. Today I wanted to use a couple throwbacks. This year I'm just trying to perfect my craft too, but I also want to like go back to like stuff that like makes sense, you know? So I wanted to bring back for my foundation look today. I wanted to take it back to Black Opal. Like they were rocking with me, and they were pulling it out the mud. Okay, so we're gonna go back to Black Opal, a few other pull out. Maybe I have my Tarte shape tape here. Like, we're just gonna just LA Pro girl. We're just gonna keep it simple. As you can see, you can still see some of my freckles, but it really doesn't bother me because of the fact that I go in with my concealer, my contour, and it helps just blend everything out. Look at my mouth. Oh my gosh, y'all. But trust the process. Keep watching. Okay, so I did get a little quiet. I'm sorry, y'all. So for my bronzer, I went around with my Black Radiance contour kit from light to medium, and then I'm going in with my Milani blush, and I'm just going to work that in. I think my lighting really has me off, y'all. Is that better? It's a little bit better. All right, guys. Well, if you made it this far, go ahead and make sure you thumbs up. And if you haven't already, even though you got a little surprise, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload because we got some uploads coming. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you liked, what you enjoyed, what you would have did different. How you liking how my look came out? I'm trying to do something different with my lip combinations. Trying to use more of my pencils and lips combinations together to see what I get and what I like. You know, try something new for the 2021 year. So definitely hope you guys enjoy it. But as always, guys, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.